I'm honored to be here today to announce that the Ronald McDonald House Charities of Dayton and a Special Wish Dayton have teamed up with the Dayton International Airport and PSA Airlines to host the first ever plane pull on Saturday, September 18th from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. right here at the Dayton International Airport. At this fun, family-friendly fundraising event, teams of 20 will pull together in support of both of these charities, two organizations whose missions support families of ill or injured children in the Dayton region. This event wouldn't be possible without the support of PSA Airlines, who are allowing us to use one of their airplanes, and the Dayton International Airport, who is offering us the space in which to do this event. We are grateful for their generous support. For RMHC Dayton, events like the plane pull allow us to share our mission with a broad audience and engage our community in new and exciting ways. But beyond that, events like this help raise valuable funds that allow us to be there for families when they need it most. Whether staying at a Ronald McDonald House or utilizing our family room inside Dayton Children's Hospital or our family room inside Emmett's Place at Miami Valley Hospital, our programs and services allow families of sick or injured children to remain close to the medical care that they need, the comforts of home that they crave, and the family members that they could not go through their healthcare journey without. And though this pandemic is still with us, our commitment to families remains the same, regardless of what's happening in the world. And this event will help to continue providing for the families that we serve. It is our hope that the Dayton community joins us in celebrating this fantastic partnership by participating in the plane pull. On behalf of RMHC Dayton, we thank you and all of our partners for helping make plane pull a great success. Now I would like to introduce Dave Sire, the Executive Director of A Special Wish Dayton.
Thank you, Amanda. I'm David Sire. I'm the Executive Director of A Special Wish Foundation. A Special Wish Foundation is the only wish-granting organization that is located in the Dayton region. And since our founding in 1983, we have granted over 1,800 wishes to children and their families of kids who are battling for their lives against a life-threatening illness. We are honored to be able to partner with Ronald McDonald House Charities, Dayton International Airport, and PSA on this amazing event. This unique event is going to be one that is so much fun and it gets the entire community involved. We're grateful for this opportunity and we look forward to seeing everyone out at the airport on September 18th. And thank you so much. I'd like to introduce to you Toby and Jody Henderson.
Good morning. Our daughter, Addison Henderson, was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia in September of 2012 at the age of 6. At the same time, we had 2 children at home that were 4 and 2 years old. Addison had a treatment plan that was going to last 2.5 years. On paper, this treatment should have all been outpatient during that time, but reality was very different for her. And we spent 38 days inpatient. She had multiple emergency visits to the hospital where we would just leave the house and go straight to the hospital. When a child has leukemia and they go inpatient, they're very sick, so you spend a lot of time at the hospital. We celebrated Christmas at the hospital the year that she was in treatment. She got to do her special wish in October of 2013. We went to Give Kids the World Village and we got to go to Disney. And a Special Wish just treated us so well. You go for the week and you're just taken care of and you have nothing to worry about. We didn't worry about doctors or hospitals or pills, and we just got to go and have a lot of fun as family and be stress-free. I would say that my girls had the time of their life, meeting characters, riding rides, eating ice cream. We just enjoyed every minute, and it was such a good respite for us during that time where she had such a hard treatment to be able to kind of regroup and spend time as a family.
we are a family that's seen the work of these organizations up close and personal, both from the perspective of when we were inpatient with our daughter. We were fortunate enough to be here in Kettering where we live, so we did not have to use the services of the house, but we saw families who needed to be close to their kids while they're receiving, in many cases, life-saving treatment. So we understand the value that the mission of the Ronald McDonald House brings to those families who are in a time of need. I've also had the privilege of serving on the House's Board of Trustees, and so I've seen it from the perspective of working from the inside out, and it's an incredible mission. And then, of course, we've had the privilege of going on a special wish trip that really was a wonderful experience for our family. And so for any folks who are considering coming out and supporting these wonderful organizations, we certainly would encourage you to do so. What a very unique and exciting event. Put your team together. Let's come out and pull a plane. And now we'll throw it to Linda from Dayton International Airport.
Good morning. I am Linda from the Dayton International Airport, and we are very excited to be able to take part in this wonderful fundraising plane pull event. It's been a few years since we've had a plane pull here at the Dayton Airport, but I guarantee you it is lots of fun, and it certainly is for a very, very worthy cause. These two organizations provide services for our entire community that we all hope we never need, but we're very, very grateful and thankful for that they are there when we do need them. So I encourage everyone to get your family and your friends together, to get your coworkers and form your teams. Go on the website here and sign up your team so you can come out. It's an outside event, so it's very, very safe. So come out, join in the fun in this wonderful fundraising event. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Grant Gigu. I work in human resources and with our communities as part of PSA Airlines. We're very excited to be here and support this cause. I can tell you, in aviation, as in many other things and walks of life here, the success of what we do depends on the people around us. As you can imagine, taking a flight from PSA Airlines, you want to see that sort of collegial atmosphere. You want to see that unity of people coming together, and that's what we have here today. We have two wonderful organizations that have this same focus and the same purpose and drive, and we couldn't help but recognize right away the importance of our being a part of this plane pull, and so we're honored to be here as Dayton's hometown airline, supporting the Ronald McDonald House and the Special Wish Foundation of Dayton. I would just say that we're also honored to again be partnering with our friends here at the Dayton International Airport. We're always blessed to be a part of what they have going on, and so I want to tell you now about what your teams are up against. So go ahead and go on to planepulldayton.org and register your teams today. But what they're up against is one of our CRJ 700s. So our fleet is comprised of roughly 130 aircraft, CRJ 700s and 900s. And so the CRJ 700 can seat 65 passengers. Many of you have probably flown in and out of Dayton and Charlotte and other of our bases before in this aircraft. It's 106 feet long, and it can reach speeds of up to 541 miles an hour. Now, I don't think you're going to reach those speeds with this plane pull, but I wish you well in that endeavor. Now, the plane also has a max capacity of 75,000 pounds. So I would wish you good luck to your teams. Go ahead and register today. Wish you good luck, and I promise you we'll keep the parking brake off for you. So a little lighthearted jest, but in all earnest, this is very worthwhile endeavor, and we look forward to seeing you on September 18th. Thank you.
Right. Well, thank you again, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Huge thanks to our partners here at the Dayton International Airport and PSA Airlines for helping make this event possible. As Grant had just said, all the information for this event can be found at plainpooldayton.org. Registration and all the event information is there. So we do encourage anyone to get together, bring a team, come out and pull for these two incredible charities. So on behalf of a Special Wish Foundation, Dayton, and RMHC Dayton, thank you.